Are you preparing to graduate in May? I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to officially graduate from CU Boulder and walk in the CMCI ceremony. You'll have to apply to graduate from CU Boulder, but before you do this, you should run your degree audit, review your degree requirements, and anticipated date of completion with your academic advisor. When you apply to graduate from CU, it means you get on the graduation roster for CMCI, so the college can make sure you have met all the academic requirements by the end of the semester you expect to be graduating. We will now walk you through the steps to complete this in the BUF portal. Let's get started. Go to the BUF portal and find the Apply to Graduate card. Select Apply to Graduate. Then select CU Boulder for academic institution. Next, select the term during which you will complete your degree requirements. Fall for December, spring for May, and summer for August. CMCIU for program, link for your academic program. If you are in a certification or licensure program, you can't apply to graduate from a certificate or licensure program. If you're pursuing a dual degree, submit a separate application for each program. If you have a minor, it should also be listed with your major. Please notify your advisor if you do not see your minor. However, you should still apply as directed. Under Graduation Intention, select Complete or Will Not Complete. Now select Apply for Graduation. Next, review your academic information. You'll need to review some important information. Review your name. If you want to modify it, select Change Name. Then Add Name. This will be your new name on your CU diploma. Once you're happy with your name, select the Approved Diploma Name checkbox. Review your address. Diplomas are mailed approximately 8 weeks after the end of the term you completed your degree requirements. If the address shown won't be correct at the time, select Change Address to create a new diploma address. The post office will not forward your diploma if your address changes. Once you're happy with your address, click the Approved Diploma Address checkbox. Once you have reviewed this information and it is accurate, select Information is correct. Do one final review of your application information, and if it's accurate, select Apply for Graduation. Now your application will be reviewed. If for any reason your plans to graduate do not match with what is needed to graduate, you will get a notification from CMCI's graduation coordinator. This is sent to your @colorado.edu email, so check it often. If you have any questions about your ability to graduate or your requirements for a degree, please contact your academic advisor. Once your application has been accepted, you will be on the graduation roster. This does not mean that you will automatically graduate, only that you will be listed in the program and notified of commencement activities. In order to officially graduate and earn your degree from CU, you must successfully complete all degree requirements in order for the university to confer a degree. Great job! You're finished applying for graduation. Now I will go through the steps for how to walk in the CMCI ceremony. CMCI has one ceremony per year. If you would like to participate in CMCI's May ceremony, you have to register with CMCI. This allows you to walk in the ceremony, have your name listed in the printed program, ensures we announce your name properly when you walk across the stage, and provides the ceremony photographer with your contact information so you can get your photos. Go to the CMCI graduation website to register by submitting your information on the form. You have to submit the form no later than April 1st to be included in the CMCI ceremony program. Be sure to look at the other deadlines listed on the website as well. By applying to graduate, you start the process for getting your diploma from CU. By completing the steps on the CMCI graduation website, you ensure you will be included in the CMCI ceremony. Congratulations!